Hello everyone. Everything I'm going to tell you in this video comes from trusted information provided by mechanics here in the shop, so relax. It can be resolved. If the message acceleration and top speed reduced appears on your Tesla, the first thing is not to panic. Even though it sounds like your car suddenly got slow, your Tesla is actually doing something very smart, protecting itself. It's like it's saying, hey, something isn't quite right with my battery or motor system, so I'm going to go slower until we fix it. What's happening is that your Tesla has entered what owners call turtle mode, a protection mode that limits motor power and top speed. This occurs when the battery computer or BMS detects something out of range that could damage the battery or motors. That's why you suddenly feel sluggish acceleration and the car doesn't reach its maximum speed. In many cases, Tesla mechanics tell me this message shows up after using a supercharger or after long high-speed trips. Interestingly, sometimes simply turning the car off, waiting a few seconds, and turning it back on restores everything to normal. This shows that often the problem is temporary or just a minor software glitch, not a serious mechanical issue. Now, if the message doesn't go away with a restart, there may be something more serious behind it. Some mechanics report cases involving faults in the traction unit, motor sensors, or even issues in the battery cooling system. In those situations, turtle mode stays on until a technician inspects and fixes the problem. Other tips from mechanics include checking for additional messages or alerts, since sometimes the Tesla is also warning you about something else, like reduced or disabled regenerative braking. This helps identify whether the reduced power warning is temporary or a sign of a more serious electrical or cooling problem. So what should you do if you see this message? First, restart the car and see if the warning disappears. Second, if it comes back, check related alerts and consider updating the software, as Tesla sometimes fixes small bugs with updates. Third, if the problem persists or comes with other issues, take your Tesla to a service center, where they can inspect the traction unit, cooling system, and high-voltage battery. In short, your Tesla is just saying, hey, something isn't quite right, so I'm taking care of myself. The good news is that, in many cases, it's solved with a simple restart or software update. And when it's not, the technicians know exactly what to check. Following these steps will get your Tesla feeling powerful and safe again without worry.